Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher in the International Knowledge School. Today we will do the homework that we had the last time and we will move on to today's lesson. Okay, so we were on page 55 and the homework was try this. Okay, so we need, just like the last time, we need a pencil and the colors that we used the last time to color the objects in the last lesson. Okay, so we need one color, which is just red. Okay, we've got red. Now, the last time we drew the shapes, and this time we're going to color them, just like we did in the homework. Now, we can just use more colors. Let's see what I can get. Purple and orange is what it seems. Okay, now we drew one which was yellow, and then one was black. And then we can have another one which is red, and another one which is purple, and another one which is orange. And you can just choose red again. Okay, and that's it for this one. Just show, you can use any other colors. I just have these three in my hand, so that's what I used. And the next one, we can't choose what color, so it's already chosen for us. Red shapes. So we drew the shapes the last time and now we have to color them. Okay. Nice. Of course, you can take your time coloring these because it's really nice to get them nice and tidy, but these colors are not easy to use, so that's why I'm doing this as fast as I can, because if I don't do it fast, it won't stick on the paper. Okay, we have red shapes, so all of these are red. Now we have red rectangles, so we have to color these red as well. Okay, that's good, that's good. Red, red. Of course, you can draw them at any size you want, whether big or small. It's not that much of a problem if you use any of these two. So we have rectangles with any color that you want, red shapes and red rectangles, and that was the homework that we had the last time. Now we'll move on to today's lesson, which is on the next page, page 56. But before we do that, I'm going to close the book for a minute and I'm going to get the board just so we can review the shapes that we went through the last time in the last lesson. Let's see. Just let me find the marker. Okay, looks like I don't have a marker. Oh, here. Okay, so now let's just review the shapes. What shape is this? Do you remember? That's right, circle. Okay, here. What shape is this? Draw it in the air with me. Let's go. Like this. Square. Okay, last one. No, not the last one, but what's this one? Triangle. Triangle. And here's the last one. What's this? Draw it in the air with me. Do it with me here. With your hand. You can just do it with your hand. What's this shape? That's right. It's a rectangle. Okay? So we have a circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Very good. Okay. So now we can open the book. What page was it? 56? Yes. Page 56 and 57. Okay, so now on page 56 and 57, we're doing the same thing, but we're going to write this time. We're going to look at how they're spelled. Okay, learn the names of these shapes. Okay, square, square, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle. Good. Okay, match its shape with its name. Here, what's this? Can you spell it? Just try to say it very slowly here. Square. The E is at the end. The E at the end is silent. So it's just say square. So now you have to match these with squares. Okay, this is the first square. Nope. No. Yes. No, that's not a square. Okay, here. Triangle. If you say it slowly, it's triangle. But if you say it quickly, which is the way you should say it, triangle. Okay? No. Yes. No. Oh, wait. That's a triangle. So we can match that one. Okay. So we have a triangle and a triangle. Even though they look different, one is on this side and one is on the other side, they're both triangles which have these three sides. Okay, now the next one is, now the C is sometimes a K and a S. So if we have a CI, it's a S. So here, circle. Now the C doesn't have an I after it, so it's a K. So circle. No. Yes. No. Yes. A green circle. Okay, that's it for this one. That's great. Now we have a rectangle. Let's spell it very slowly. Rectangle. Okay. No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay, so each shape has two squares, 2 triangles, 2 circles, and 2 rectangles. Okay, so we have square, triangle, circle, and rectangle. Okay, now we're going to learn how to write them. So get your pencil ready so we can write. What is this? It looks like a square, but it's very long. That is a rectangle. So you can copy the spelling right from here. Write it very slowly here. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Okay. The next one is a square. Now, remember when I said this was a diamond shape? We did that here. Where was it? The C. Yeah, this one. Now, we can call this a diamond shape, or we can call it a square, which is tilted to the right or the left. So you can call it two things: a square, or diamond shape, or a square. But in this case, since we don't have a diamond shape, we're just gonna call it a square. So this is a square. Now here's the spelling: SQUARE. That's a square. Now here we have a very long, what is this called? Triangle. So I have to write triangle, and here's the spelling: TRIANGLE. Triangle. Of course, after you write it, you can compare the spelling: TRIANGLE. E. So after you write it here, compare your spelling with what's written here, in case this is not clear enough for you. Because the writing might not be very clear because the pencil is not that good. Now we can move on to the next one. We have a circle. Circle. C I R C L E. Circle. C I R C L E. Okay, so that's a circle. Okay, so very quickly, rectangle. Okay, so we have to listen and repeat. Okay, rectangle, rectangle, square, square, triangle, triangle, circle, circle. Very good. Okay, so these are the shapes, and we wrote it down, which is great. Join each shape to the matching name. Okay, so what's this? Doesn't look like a square. It is very long. So that's a... Oh, okay, let's read these first. Rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Okay, so first let's start with a rectangle. Yes, this looks like a rectangle, so you just match it here. No. Nah. No. 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 Yeah, a ruler is a rectangle. Square. No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. Square. Triangle. Oh yeah, okay, that's a triangle. No. 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 Yes, it's a small triangle, but it's still a triangle. Circle. No. 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 Yes. Circle. Another circle. Here. It's the last one that we have. Okay, so again, very quickly, we have a rectangle, a square, triangle, and a circle. Okay, very good. Now, draw these shapes as carefully as you can. Okay, so we'll draw them very slowly. Circle. So here we can write A, and you can draw it here. But in my case, I'm just going to write or draw it in my notebook. Okay, so I'm going to write and draw. Okay, so the first one was a circle. So here we write A, circle. Of course, you can always compare the spelling. C-I-R-C-L-E. Try to never guess the spelling. Always copy the spelling, okay? Never guess it. Okay, so here we have a circle. So here we can just draw a small circle. Very carefully, very slowly, so it looks like a nice circle. Okay, now you can do things to the circle. You can either give it a shape, make it look nice, or you can color it. Okay, so I'm gonna draw two circles. Okay, the first one is going to be a face. Okay, you can give it ears. That doesn't look nice, but okay. Give it a beard. Give it a nose, and that's the first one. And the second one, I will actually color. So I'll just color it red. This red is one of my favorite colors. It looks nice. You can change the color, you can change the shape. It's really up to you. You can do whatever you want with that. Okay, now B, we have rectangle. Okay. R, E, C, D, A, Rectangle. Now I'm gonna draw two rectangles again, very slowly, just so it looks nice. Okay, that's correct. Another rectangle. Okay, now I'm gonna color one, just like I did the last one. I have purple, so I'm gonna use purple. Okay. The other one, I'm just gonna draw shapes on. So like this. I can just draw any other shapes actually, not just stars. Just draw stars. You can draw other rectangles inside. Here, so I have this one as a star. Now it's not a star anymore. It doesn't look like that. Circle, triangle, another star. It's gonna just draw any stars or any shapes that you want in that, just, you know, to make it look different. Okay, next we have a square. See? Square. Square. Again, I'm gonna draw two squares, one with shapes and one with just a color. Nope. That would be more like a rectangle. Remember, a square has to have even shapes, or even sides. Otherwise, it will look like a rectangle. This still looks like a rectangle. Let's try it again. Let's do this maybe. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, this looks like a square. And another one. Okay. So these are two squares. And actually this one, this is the one I'm going to color. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to color it in 3 colors. Or, okay, 2 colors. Can you guess how many squares we have here? Okay, the big one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 5 squares in just one big one. Okay, the other one will have other shapes, so I'll draw this inside it. Triangle and the rectangle. Kind of looks like a face, doesn't it? If you draw, like, if you consider these teeth. So that's a funny looking square. Okay, next one we have a triangle. D. Small or big? Small. Triangle. Okay, let's stop there. I'm just gonna try it again. Triangle. Is this clear enough? No, I don't think it's clear enough. No, I'm just gonna wipe all of it and try it again. Okay, that's nice and clear. I'm gonna draw 2 triangles and then I'm gonna either color them or draw shapes. I'm not sure yet. Actually, since I have 2 triangles, I can do this. I'm gonna draw a circle. So since this is the last one, I'm just gonna do this to it. And then I'm gonna draw a big rectangle. Looks like a robot. With a small circle and a small circle. And it looks a little bit like a robot. And I can actually draw a big circle. And it looks like a weird robot. You can draw other triangles here, just to make it look a bit nicer. Looks weird, I know. But here you have triangles, circles, and then a rectangle, and then squares. So you've got all the shapes in one drawing, which looks kind of creepy, I think. So that's all of them. Circle, rectangle, square, and a rectangle, or a triangle. Okay, very good on that one. I hope you're not scared with that creepy shape. But now we can move on, and I'll give you the homework so you can do it alone at home, and we'll do it the next time together. The homework is going to be in the review unit, which is this unit. Nope. Okay, here we go. It's unit 20, page 70. Okay, the homework is on this page. Solid shapes. Cross the odd shape in each set. So you're going to look at the sets, and you're going to circle or cross the odd shape in each set. In each set. So here we have rectangle, 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 triangle, and a rectangle. So this one is different. So we can just circle and cross it out. We can just cross it out. That's both. Those both are the same. Draw lines to join each shape to the correct box. Okay, so we're going to draw lines to match these shapes to the boxes. Or actually, there are shapes that we haven't taken yet, so you can skip this one and just do this one, because here we have cubes, spheres, cylinders, and pyramids, which are not yet covered. So you can just do this one here. If it proves very difficult, it's okay. We will do it in the next lesson together, and we will learn about cubes and cylinders and spheres in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.